Howdy hey y'all. Today is a quick edition of What's on the Porch. It's my Macy's beauty box for June, which is just getting here today. It's a little later than normal, but that's alright. It always comes bundled up nicely in some pink paper. Has a little pamphlet with it, and there's always a coupon. This coupon is good from June 26th through August the 28th, which is nice, gives you time to use it. And then it tells you what's in the box. And I don't think these boxes have variations. They might, but I'm thinking that they don't. The first item in my box is this Chlorine, I think that's how you pronounce it, dry shampoo with Oatmeal, ultra gentle. And this obviously is a sample. And it retails, the full size retails for $20, and it says that it's good for all hair types and textures. Fast acting dry shampoo that lets you skip multiple wash days with a gentle oat milk formula that doesn't leave any residue behind, which is nice because I find I don't like dry shampoos. They seem to leave a white cast in my hair, and I don't like that. Spray and give a little rub and then be on your way. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. I never have found a dry shampoo that I actually like. The next item that I have is Buxom, and this is full on Plumping Lip Cream. A full size of this retails for $21. And it says, let's start off with something subtle. By subtle, we mean lip plumping perfection that gives you hours of creamy color and hydration. Hyaluronic acid plus vitamin A and E keep lips soft and sultry for hours. Throw it in your bag to keep on hand for touch-ups. Swipe on your lips and watch the magic happen. So, let's swipe it on the lips and see what happens. We'll see what it does while I go through the rest of the items that I have in my box. That is a super cute little tiny sample. That would get lost in my purse, I'm just saying. And I don't see a shade name. Yes, I do. It's called White Russian. Now, I don't like things that burn or things that are hot. I don't eat hot and spicy food. So I'm taking one for the team. I don't know how this is going to go. Oh, that has a very nice smell to it. It has a very nice creamy texture. While I'm plumping up my lips, I can hear the neighbor plumping up the volume on their music. I don't know if y'all can hear that. That's actually a pretty color. It's starting to feel very, very cool. Absolutely does not go with this eye look that I have going on, but okay, we will leave that on and see what happens if we get all plumped up. My lips do look nice and hydrated, I will give it that. And then we have two perfume samples. Mugler, Angel, and Angel Nova. So let's start with Angel. Shooting Star Perfume Spray. This feminine fragrance is ethereal yet evokes childhood memories of sweetness. Melds bright bergamot, sweet praline, and comforting patchouli to create a fresh and delicious vanilla perfume. And a full size retails for $120. Let me know in the comments, how many of you actually pay those kind of prices for perfume? Let's see. Right out the sprayer. It doesn't smell like vanilla at all to me. I can't, there's something there that's familiar, but it has a very earthy, kind of woodsy smell. I'm not a fan at all. Alright, let's try the other one, which is Angel Nova. And this says, meet an irresistible feminine fragrance that exudes sexuality, sensuality, and sparkling confidence with a fruity floral blend of juicy raspberry, upcycled rose petals, and daring acajou wood. I'm probably saying that wrong. This retails for $100. I have never spent that much money on a perfume ever in my life. You know, perfume samples are nice, but they're so hard to actually spray because they're so tiny. I definitely get a floral, but again, it has that same underlying earthy, woodsy something that I can't quite put my hand, my finger on. I'm not a fan of that one either, which is good because I don't have to spend $100 or $120 on perfume. And then we have a full-size product. This is nail polish. This is Mineral Fusion Fast and Fabulous Nail Shade. Chips are great as a snack, but not on your nails. This long-wearing, high-shine formula is ideal for anyone who thinks they're too rough on their hands for polish. Retails for $8.99, and it says best used with a base coat followed by smooth layers of lacquer. Allow 3 minutes of dry time between coats, and that is a pretty color. I love my nail polishes, so I will definitely be giving that a try. And then we have some eye patches. These are the Beauty Crop, and it says the Beauty Crop Avocado Hydrating Gel Mask, but this says watermelon. Brightening eye mask. Brightening, hydrating, and pore refining, which I'm fine with the watermelon. This says that they retail for $24 for 30 pairs, and of course it tells you all about the avocado hydrating, but it's not telling me anything about the watermelon. I love a good eye mask. The next item is another full-size product, and this is NYX Professional Jumbo Eye Pencil. I have one of these in white, so I'm excited to have another one. Eyes are the windows to the soul, so let's add some serious shade and make it dramatic. This deeply pigmented pencil can be used as a shadow stick, thick liner, or well, whatever you want it to be. It retails for $4.50. And what shade is it? And of course I can't tell, so I have to pull out the magnifying glass. It is in the shade French Fries, and it has the shrink wrap on it. And there's what the shade looks like. Pretty color. It is like a bronzy brown, and it's very, very creamy. Love that. And the last thing that I have in my Macy's box is the perfectly polished nail wrap set. And obviously that is for Pride Month, which is very cool. And I don't see anything in here about them. They are shown there, but there's nothing in here that talks about them. The pamphlet says that it's all about pride, so the things that they put in here are definitely to coincide with Pride Month. So those are very pretty. I don't use nail wraps, so I will probably put those in y'all's giveaway box. It says it was created for Macy's. So those are all the items in my box. I'm still not liking Angel and Angel Nova. It's growing on me, but still not something that I would buy. Am I looking plump? Are my lips looking plump? Let's see. I can't tell. I'm not sure if they're looking fuller or if they're just looking hydrated. Either way, they look pretty good. And that did not burn, which is a plus. So it still feels really thick on my lips too, which to me says that it probably would last longer than other glossy types. I'm not a glossy kind of person, but I actually kind of like this. I may have to look into that. How much was that? $21. Not too shabby. So those are all the items in my Macy's box. Did I say that once already? I think I did. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me, watching me unbox my Macy's box. Show that like button some love, and as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye. Christopher, you need to get you some dry shampoo. These little samples would be the perfect size to go in your tackle box. Then that way, when you're out fishing, you know, and you get a little sweaty and your hair is starting to get a little flat and you want it fluffy because you have all those pretty curls, you can just pull this out of your tackle box and freshen up your hair. Then that way you're presentable, you know, when you pull the fish out of the water. Okay? Mama loves you, boo.